Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students and welcome to all the students in the Right Way Academy class second year chemistry. आज की इस वीडियो में स्टूडेंट्स मैं आपको इम्पोर्टेंट शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम द सब्जेक्टिव पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू ऑफ द होल चैप्टर्स फ्रॉम द केमिस्ट्री बुक डिस्कस करूँगी. आपने इस वीडियो को स्किप नहीं करना, कंप्लीट वॉच करना है. आपको इस वीडियो में वो तमाम क्वेश्चंस मिलेंगे जो आपको एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बहुत हेल्प आउट करेंगे. आपने साथ साथ इन क्वेश्चंस को लिख लेना है, राइट कर लेना है, ताकि आपके पास नोट्स की सूरत में ही महफूज रहें और जब चाहें आप इनको रिपीट करें. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज़ व्हाट आर द इम्प्रूवमेंट्स मेड इन द मेंडलीव्स पीरियोडिक टेबल. Question 2. Why the second value of the electron affinity of an element is usually shown with a positive sign. Question 3 is why the metallic character increases from top to bottom in a group of metals. Question number 4 is explain the variation in melting points along the short periods. Question 5. Why the oxidation state of noble gases is usually zero. This is a very important short question. Question number 6. Give the names, electronic configuration and occurrence of S block elements. Question number 7. Discuss the peculiar behavior of lithium with magnesium. Question number 8. Mention the properties of beryllium in which it does not resemble with its own family. Students, question number 8 is a very important question. Question number 9. Why the aqueous solution of the sodium carbonate is alkaline in nature. Question number 10. Compare the physical and chemical properties of alkali metals with those of the alkaline earth metals. Question number 11. What happens when lithium carbonate is heated, lithium hydroxide is heated to red hot, beryllium iodine treated with the sodium hydroxide. Lithium hydroxide is treated with the water. Question number 12. Why the lime water turns milky with the carbon dioxide but becomes clear with the excess carbon dioxide. Question number 13. How gypsum is converted into plaster of Paris. This is a very important short question, most important short question. Question number 14. Why 2% gypsum is added in the cement. Question number 15. Why the lime is added to an acidic soil. Question 16 is how the lime and sand are used to make glass. Question number 17 is how the lime mortar is prepared. Question 18 is give equation to represent the following reactions. First statement is borax is heated with the carbon oxides. Second statement is aluminium oxide is heated with the sodium hydroxide solution. Third statement is how does orthoboric acid react with sodium hydroxide and ethyl alcohol. Question number 19. Why are the liquid silicones preferred or ordinary organic lubricants? Question number 20 is why is carbon dioxide a gas at room temperature while the silicon oxide is a solid? Question number 21 is what is the boric acid? Define its laboratory preparation and uses. Question number 22 is explain the brick land and adds process for the manufacture of nitric acid. Question number 23 is how the PCl3 and PCl5 can be used for the preparation of other chemical compounds. Question number 24 is what is the bleaching powder, how it is prepared commercially, give its uses. Question 25th is discuss the oxides of chlorine. Explain disproportional reaction with the example. Students, ये most important short questions हैं, very important short questions. इन questions को आप साथ साथ write करें. Question number 26 is what happens when bleaching powder reacts with the following reagents: dilute sulfuric acid, excess of concentration, sulfuric acid, ammonia, hydrogen iodide, and carbon dioxide. Question 27 is discuss the various commercial uses of halogens and other compounds. Question 28 is explain oxyfluorides of xenon and application of the noble gases. Question number 29 is how does the electronic configuration of valence shell affect the following properties of transition elements? First is binding energy, second paramagnetism, third one is melting points. Question number 30 is explain the following terms. Students, this is a very important short question. These terms are very important. Ligands, coordination spheres, central metal atoms. Question 31st is what is the difference between wrought iron and steel? Question 32 explain the Bessemer's process for the manufacture of the steel. Question 33 explain the following with examples. A statement is why does damaging tin plated iron get rusted quickly? B statement is under what conditions does aluminium corrode? Question 34 how the chromite ions are converted into the dichromite ions. Next question is what are the homocyclic and heterocyclic compounds? Question 35 is explain reforming of petroleum with the help of suitable example. Question 36 outline the methods available for the preparation of alkanes. Question 37 how will we bring out the following conversions? A statement is methane to ethane. B ethane to methane. C is acetic acid to ethane. D methane into nitromethane. Question 38 predict the major products. Bromination of the following compounds: toluene, benzoic acid, phenol, nitrobenzene. Question 39 is what happened when benzene is heated with concentrated sulfuric acid at 250 degrees Celsius. Chlorine is passed through benzene in sunlight. Benzene is burned in free supply of air. Question 40 is what do you understand by the term beta elimination reaction? Next question is how is methyl alcohol obtained on a large scale? Question 41 is how it may be distinguished from ethyl alcohol. Question 42 explain the following terms: absolute alcohol, methyl spirit, rectified spirit, and denaturing of alcohols. Question 43 how will you convert methanol and ethanol acetone into the ethyl alcohol? Question 44 explain the following terms: A oxidation, B esterification, C ester formation. Question 45 arrange the following compounds in order of their increasing acid strength and give reasons: water, C2H5OH, C6H5OH, C6H5OOH. Question 46. How does acetaldehyde react with C2H5MgI, magnesium iodide, hydrogen cyanide, sodium hydrogen sulfate? Question 47 is, how does formaldehyde react with the following reagents? CH2 magnesium iodide, HCN hydrogen cyanide, sodium hydrogen sulfate, concentrated sodium hydroxide. The most important questions, these are all. Listen carefully, students. Question 48 is, using ethine as a starting material, how would you get acetaldehyde and acetaldehyde? Question 49. How is acetic acid manufactured? What is glacial acetyl acid? Question 50 is, what are amino acids? Explain their different types with one important example in each case. Question 51. Explain the following terms. A. Addition polymer. B. Condensation polymer. C. Thermoplastic. D. Thermosetting plastic. Question 52 is, what are the lipids in which way fats and oils are different? Question 53. Define sponification number and iodine number. Discuss the term rancidity. Question 54. Write a note on the followings. A. Polyester resins. B. Polyamide resins. C. Epoxy resins. Question 55. What are fertilizers? Discuss the classification, its uses, and how manufactured in Pakistan. Question 56. Describe the composition of a good Portland cement. Discuss the wet process, the manufacturing of cement with the help of flow sheet diagram, and tell about setting of cement. Question 57 is, what are the essential non-woody raw materials used in production of pulp and paper in Pakistan? Question 58. What is acid rain and how does it affect our environment? Question 59. How the detergents are threat to aquatic animal life? Question 60 and the last one question is, what are leaches and explain the process of incineration of industrial waste. स्टूडेंट्स, आज के इस वीडियो लेक्चर में मैंने आपके साथ केमिस्ट्री बुक फ्रॉम द क्लास सेकेंड ईयर उसके डिस्कस किए क्वेश्चंस। अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई है, इसको लाइक करें, शेयर करें और कमेंट करें इन केस ऑफ एनी क्वेरी। स्टूडेंट्स, आपने इन क्वेश्चंस को स्किप नहीं करना, अच्छे से याद कर लेना है, नोट कर लेना है, ताकि आप इनको रिपीट कर सकें और एग्ज़ाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से अपने आप को प्रिपेयर करें। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, एंड थैंक यू। अल्लाह हाफिज़।